In this video, I'll show you how to see if someone has access to your Outlook or Hotmail account. If your email ends in outlook.com or hotmail.com, the best way to check for unauthorized access is through your Microsoft account security activity. Microsoft says the recent activity page shows sign-ins and security events, including location, device, or browser details, and it also lets you mark activity as "this was me" or "this wasn't me" if something looks suspicious. First, open your browser and sign in to your Microsoft account. Then go to the security section and open recent activity. This is the main place Microsoft provides for checking whether somebody else may have tried to sign in or actually access the account. When you review the list, look for logins from locations, devices, or times that you do not recognize. As you go through the activity, pay close attention to anything unusual. For example, maybe you see a sign-in from another country, a browser you never use, or an access attempt at a time when you know you were asleep. Microsoft says that if you are not sure an activity was yours, you can choose "This wasn't me," and Microsoft will help protect the account from unauthorized access. If you do find something suspicious, the next step is to secure the account right away. Microsoft says you should go back to security basics and change your password. Choose a strong new password that you have not used before. You should also review your security info, such as your recovery email, phone number, and verification methods, to make sure nobody added or changed anything without your permission. Another useful protection step is to sign out of your Microsoft account everywhere. Microsoft says this signs you out of browsers, apps, and most other places where the account is currently being used, although it can take up to 24 hours to fully apply. This is especially helpful if you think someone still has access on another device. One more thing to remember is that security warnings from Microsoft can also be a clue. Microsoft says it may alert you about unusual sign-ins, especially if a login happens on a device it has not seen before. So, if you receive one of those alerts and it was not you, take it seriously and check the recent activity page immediately. So, the basic process is simple. Open your Microsoft account security page, review recent activity, look for unknown sign-ins, mark suspicious entries, change your password, and sign out everywhere if needed. That is the clearest official way to check whether someone may have access to your Outlook or Hotmail account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.